forgot to say this. You see, as a single mom, you get children, you get 4 children. If you dey date man, let the socials know. Yes, let them know. Because body no be firewood. If you be single mother, if you dey date man, let your socials know. And if you still break up with them, still let them know. Say, see your reasons. Make sure say your reasons of leaving these guys are good reasons. Let me use my own as an example. In those days when they're going to complain, when I date, they're going to complain, they give socials. You know, say some people, neighbors, they lie well. If they see you, see say man come, they're going to complain, go to test socials. Because we will be mothers, all parents, we have socials when they watch us. They're going to complain, they give them. Sometimes they will call me, say, see, yeah. I tell them, say, not my fault. I don't bring anybody come house. The only person will come after my guy. And if I say break up with that guy, I will still let them know, say, I no deal with this guy again. They'll say, why? What did you do? I'll say, see, majority of these men, they want make I born, And really, the men when me they see, now so born give me. Now they tell me. They don't marry me. I mean, never go school. I never work. Then they say, they know they work. They say, make I born. I want to bomb. Some of them are because of paper. I not go leave this kind man. Sometimes I go tell the social. They will say, really? I say, yes. And they tell the I see me so. All my relationships, some of them don't know me for this social media. And they tell social. Even as this, my man come, me and I said to so. Baka, they know. Because his name see the computer, say, me and I gather there. I tell them, say, we don't settle. They say, how? How come me back? I tell them, say, see, I tell Apple. Even the reason why me and I separate from the same house, they know. I tell them. Now, she come back, so they say, it don't change. I hope it's okay now. I say, yes, it's okay now. He say, if there is anything, let me know. I say, no problem. Let your socials know. My last breakup before me and my man come back now, I tell social, say, see this man when I be the date. I be the date this man, oh. This man not tell me say he don't marry for Nigeria. See wetin happen, see wetin I post the picture, do video with her for Facebook to know, because I don't dey ask her whether I get wife. He say no get. So I can't purposely post the picture for social media so that to know if this man really don't marry. Now say I did, and I can't find out say this man he get woman. Now so that one not even pay me. Now say that one not even trigger my BTC in a lie when people they tell me say this man don't marry. I can't see dream see her because me not see her. I tell you bo. Then I say me not see her. Me not native person. As in, I be traditionalist. I tell them, they know. If you see my house, so carry there. I tell them. Now say I won't drink. See, I say this man don't marry. See what he do me. This man hits me because of the truth. For that reason, I don't feel cope with such man who lay his filthy hands on me. No man dare to lay his filthy hands on me. I'm a queen. You dare not lay your filthy hands on me. I tell social say, not truth. You don't need that kind of man for. But they even come and do the man. No. He say me not get better. They use such man. Social can't carry me. See, they can't they advise me. I can't they tell her my pains. Now, so I know one man and different boys. I get picking, and I get ambition. I want live a good life. I want school. I want get a good job and get married to my husband and live like a family. When I explain to social understand. She can't even pray for me. When me tell her and I say, me and my man just settle back then. Just settle back some months ago. She called there and say, congratulations, I'm very happy for you. Oh, finally, how does it treat you? Does it beat? I say, no. It doesn't beat me like it. You know, they beats me. I tell social, I say, you know, they beat me, you know, they lay hands on me. Now be the reason why to make me and I still there. It treats me well. I know say sometimes if you provoke or me say provoke normal. I say nice social even tell me say na normal. Boyfriend and girlfriend, even there themselves they quarrel. So my sister, person like me now, how social want to carry my pikin? When they know everything, I know they lie to them. I they tell them. It they shock so many people say I not dey into trouble. That means I see dates there. Any man when I carry enter my house, socials must know. I must tell them. So sister, if you date guy, let your socials do not fear. Because if you not let them know, they will feel say you they do mago, you they irresponsible. So let them know your pains and your motive.